perimeter is the one that's the sides added together, and you should not forget about the unit. So looking at this question, the example is already done. This is 5, that is 6. These two are the same, so this will be 6 as well. These two are the same, so that will be 5 as well. The question what it did is adding 5 starting from here, 6, 5, 6, add all the sides together. That will give you the total of 22, and 22 is not your full answer yet. 22 feet is, including the unit, your full answer. Now looking at this dimension, a polygon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That will give you 30. And do not forget the inch. Let's see this example. This is a square, which means this is 7, that's supposed to be 7, this is supposed to be 7, that's supposed to be 7. So with the perimeter, you are only, nothing else, please don't mix with anything else. You are only telling me what is the total of the sides, which is 7, 7, 7, 7, 28 what? Meters. And this is another example, and let's go down. Rectangle, this is 5, this is 2. So I believe this will be easy for you to complete. You just add all the sides and millimeter. 2, 5 more is 7, 9, and yes, 14. Don't forget the unit, millimeter. And now that's the perimeter, the distance around the shape. You add all the sides, and now we are going to talk about circumference, a different word, but it's not different at all. The circumference is a special word for only one shape, which is a circle. Why we have a different word for circle? Because it doesn't have a side. There is no side to add here. So if we had seen the sides, we will just add them. This is simply only a circle, and what we need to find out is that I'm going to sit here, I'm going to start working. Here is my first step, second step, third step. I'm going to use all my steps, and at the end, what will be the total of the steps I took, which means what is the circumference. Remember, unit could be, let's say, 15 steps. That's a unit. 15 hands. That's a unit. 15 meters. That's also a unit. Unit can change to anything and everything, but you must include your unit. And how we calculate the circumference is that you need to know this formula, 2 pi r. Here is an example. 2, it stays as 2, times pi is the same, 3.14, times r is the radius, which is in this case 7. So you multiply all of them, you will get 43.96. The same is done here with this example, 2 pi r. So you need to write down the formula first for the circumference, or should I say perimeter. They are the same thing. It's just a different word for the circle. 2 times 3.14, this is always the same, times, and now the radius for that will give you the total of 2512, and the full answer including the unit is 25.12 feet. Now let's do another example here. Write down the formula first. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Circumference equals 2 times pi is 3.14 times r is whatever I see here, 8. And now let's calculate that. 2 times 3.14 times 8, 50, 24. I am done.